is the Texas Weather Outlook video for Wednesday, August the 9th. North Texas weather trending hotter and drier as we get closer to the weekend, and Tropical Storm Franklin out in the Atlantic is on the verge of becoming the Atlantic's first minimal hurricane of 2017. First, let's take a look at the water vapor satellite view. I should note that an upper level high that's up to the southwest of us is trying to move through our area. That's what's bringing hotter and drier weather. Take a look at the temperatures at around 2 o'clock. Arlington 84, DFW Airport 88, Denton 88. Basically, temperatures in this map range from around 73, 75 to around 90 degrees. Up to the east of Corsicana, where we have 75 degrees. And I think those temperatures are expected to increase. I think those temperatures will increase as we get later into the week and eventually the weekend. Take a look at the watch warning map. We have an air quality alert for the DFW Metro. We continue with that for today. That means people with respiratory issues should limit their time outside because will be high amounts of ozone. Continue with the flash flood watch for parts of the Houston metro area. May experience flooding issues there. Other than that, things are quiet in Texas. Risk for severe weather today. One to the west near California and some of the adjacent states, and one extending up into the southern plains to the high plains. And tomorrow we have a risk for severe weather for mainly Kansas and some of the adjacent states, and another one for near Chicago and again some of the adjacent states. If we do see anything, I don't think any severe weather we don't have to worry about any severe weather. And on day 3, on Friday, one risk for severe weather well to the north and east of us. Take a look at the rain amounts for the next 7 days, around 1 to 2 inches for parts of North Texas. This is valid through Wednesday of next week, but you don't have to go far north to where you could see a good soaking rain. Down to the south of Tulsa, they're expecting rounding up about 8 inches of rain for parts of eastern Oklahoma. Wish we could have some of that. That would be nice. Take a look at the tropics, anyways. Tropical Storm Franklin is the main concern on the board, and that's in the process of coming through the Bay of Campeche right now. And maximum sustained winds is continuing at 70 miles an hour, and this is right now currently on the verge of becoming the Atlantic's first hurricane of the season. It's only going to be a minimal hurricane. In fact, they're expecting it to be the NHC guys is expecting it to become a hurricane this evening before making landfall again, well to the south of Brownsville, Texas. I don't think this won't have any impacts on the U.S. whatsoever. But taking a look out again in the Atlantic, again, there's this one wave that we were talking about that's fighting a lot of dry air and shear. The NHC guys is now up this to 50% chance of developing during the next 5 days. Right now, it's currently fighting a lot of dry air and shear right now. So an environment that's not favorable, not conductive for development. But if it fights off that dry air and shear, if it continues to move into an area more favorable for development, we could end up seeing something come out of this. Most models, if we do see something come out of this, most models steer it to the east, not even affecting the U.S. So all in all, if we do see something, I don't think this should have any impact to the U.S. So let's look at the models here. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock local time at 500 millibars. Westerlies are up north, and upper high or 594 heat ring still tries to make its presence again in our area. And down below that, I don't really. This shows a chance of showers and storms mainly to the east of I-35, but with that heat ring in our area for tomorrow, I'll see it when I believe it. Highs in the mid to upper 90s, and on Friday Again, this is suggesting a chance for a few showers and storms, mainly to the north in northeast Texas. Again, I'll see it when I believe it. We still stick with the same conditions, again, with highs mostly in the upper 80s. Take a look at the weekend. That looks dry. Partly cloudy, hot and humid. Highs in the upper 90s. Same thing on Sunday, but I do think rain chances do go up mainly in the evening hours as a surface front continues to drop from the south. I think that'll produce a chance of scattered showers and storms during the evening hours. And on Monday, I think I think we should see a good chance for showers and storms throughout the day on Monday, with highs struggling to reach 90 degrees. With with that surface front dropping to the south, and on Tuesday, and the same thing on Tuesday. Here's a week from today, Wednesday, August 16th. Westerly still to the north of us, and down below that it looks like a fairly decent chance for some showers and storms here. Again, I'll see it when I believe it, but other than that, highs in the low 90s. Go out to the end of the forecast period on Saturday, 19th of August. Again, a shortwave trough to the north of us near Oklahoma. Heights are about where they should be, and I think another surface front drops to the south again, bringing a chance for showers and storms. But do we dare go out to the end of the forecast period? Why not? So, again, here's the do I dare? I mean, why not? Let's go to August 21st. August 21st on Monday, the eclipse day, and this is right. West Texas may see some unpleasant weather while trying to view the eclipse, but I'll see it when I believe it. This is still 10 days. This is more than 10 days out, and there's a pretty good chance that none of this map verifies. There's no skill after 10 days is out. But look at the numbers for the next 6 days. We do continue with that warming trend as we get to the weekend on Saturday, and by Sunday we continue to warm down to the mid to low 90s. But hey, still no 100s on this board yet, and I think that's very great. That's it for the Texas Weather Outlook video this afternoon. Well, I'll have more notes on the blog. The next video here around 2 or 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, if you can't catch your local TV stations, at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and Godspeed.